My name is Hank Sherwood.
If you had never gotten off the plane,
Subscribe.
you'd be alive in the first place.
Yes, that's what Dad is working
And I'm going to show you some kits.
tying up all the loose ends.
Some cool ones. First one, tornado kit. Like this. And then front kit. And this one's called Valentine's Kit. You want to say hi to my mom? Hello, Mom.
Like this video.
This is my mom's phone, which is so bad. It says 6:08, but that's not the time. Mom, what time is it? Almost 1:30.
Yes, class mom.
Shirley Temple. This is what we had for lunch.
Hey, you! Hey! Come on, help me out! Come on, you're gonna get me out of here.
No, this is how you do burp.
I don't smell any gas. Nothing's good.
It will